Nakikita nyo ba ang difference niyan? Mascara lang yan. So, I have here O2O's new mascara. This is upgraded and with advanced series. So, and what I like about this new is ang dami nilang dinagdag na ingredients. Meron silang seed oil na nagmo-moisturize ng eyelash natin. It also prevents dryness and breakage of the eyelash with Polygonal Multiflorum Root Extract which increases eyelash density and length. Ito din yung nagdinourish ng eyelash natin para maging healthier and stronger tingnan. So, as you can see the difference guys, ang ganda ng ginawa niya sa eyelash ko and first coat pa lang yan. Now, I'm applying the second coat na para makita natin kung gaano talaga siya mag-perform. Uy, look at that eyelashes! I really like how it works kasi ang bilis niya matuyo sa eyelash ko and perfect talaga siya for lower lashes din. Kaya nakikita nyo, very thick siya pero hindi siya masyadong excessive. And this is very lightweight, wala ka masyadong mafe-feel na heavy on your eyelashes and mas pina-stronger pa talaga siya. But wait, there's more! Kasi nga it says here na waterproof siya so pwede ba namang hindi natin subukan? So ayan, nududin pa talaga natin ang nudnod din and wala talaga siya. Hindi talaga siya nag-transfer. Balik lang natin ng ganyan and we're good to go. And this will last whole day. Aabot pa yan ng bukas, girls. So get yours na!